Hey guys, it's Anna and Aiden here. Welcome back to our channel. So we are now at our new hotel. We're checking into the Gran Destino Tower. This is our first time here, so we're so excited. So we just pulled up. We gave our luggage to guest services. Starting to drizzle, and you want to tell them what's happening here?
So looks like a fire alarm went off, so everyone had to be evacuated. It looks like people are starting to go back in after like 10 minutes, so
yeah,
looks like we're good.
So hopefully it won't delay us in getting our room. I think it's just about 3 o'clock. We checked out of Art of Animation, so if you want to see those vlogs, we'll link them somewhere here and down below. We spent some time in the arcade over there, then we went to Publix, picked up some groceries, and now we're here. So we're so excited!
Yeah!
And tomorrow's this guy's birthday.
Oh.
Yes. Alright guys, we'll see you inside.
Okay, so here it is. I think it looks pretty nice. It definitely matches the style of Florida. And I got a sneak peek inside, and this is not even the first floor. So it's looking amazing. It's very grand, I must say, but nothing close to Grand Floridian because they're very different styles. But let's go inside now.
Beautiful is it, Zeus? Look, this guy already found his spot.
Hey Andrew, come.
Come on, we gotta go get our room.
This is gonna be a little complicated.
Okay. So what did he say? We have to...
We're elevator B. We have to do B.
B? Okay.
Come on in.
Ooh. Okay, Aiden found it. Here, put this, put this in here, do it. Okay, there's our room number.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous.
Mommy, where's the pool?
I don't know, the pool.
Oh, it's over there, you see it?
Oh,
See
okay.
the temple?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, this is what we were looking at. It's like, you know.
Okay. Let me show you everything real quick because it is gorgeous room and the view that we got, stunning. All right. We have a very spacious walk-in area. Like, it's very spacious. I have a single stroller, but you could easily fit a double stroller. You can put your luggages here. Amazing. We have the bathroom here with this sliding door. It's a little heavy. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. All right, the bathroom is just gorgeous, and of course we have all of our products. Like, they gave us everything. I'm obsessed. The shower, stunning, and you also have your products on the wall and here as well, which is super cool. I love the sinks. Oh my goodness. So you kind of have a little storage, your blow dryer, extra toilet paper, napkins. You got your toilet. Beautiful. You have your door. And Aiden checked it out and he said you can actually lock it so you have your privacy. And then you could also lock this. Ah! So cool. It is beautiful. What a beautiful resort. Okay, so then we have this like cupboard area, which is, ooh, we got a light. Lots of hangers. I love that because I do wear a lot of dresses and I need to hang them. So we got good, whatchamacallit, what is that called?
A safe.
A safe. I guess we have some fancy iron in here, the board, the luggage little stand, a full-size mirror. And there's Aiden, he's so excited. We're all excited. All right, so we got 2 beds, queen size bed. So on this side you have this beautiful mirror and this beautiful bed. There's no nightstands on either side, but there's a very big one right in the middle, and I think that actually works well. And you have like a ton of space. So lots of storage, big drawers, which is fantastic. Very nice. Oh my God, guys, it's beautiful. USBs, regular outlets. These I adore. These are perfect little lights. So this is the other side. Right here we have our little coffee station. Another little area to put your luggage or to sit is the fridge. Your recycling and garbage, chair, lamp, beautiful TV. And was saying how cool this remote control is. And then of course more drawer, and then the other bed. And so we turn around this way. Okay, beautiful. Aiden's like, don't mess up the bed. Nice chair, nice lamp, gorgeous curtains, and then the grand finale. Ta-da!
Oh, and fun fact, you can actually see Mount Everest from here, or Expedition Everest.
Oh yes.
And you can see the tip of the tree in Animal Kingdom.
Oh yes.
Tree of life.
Wow. That's so cool. So I think we scored a really great room. Right in the middle, that's the restaurant. I keep forgetting what it's called. Is it Three Bridges or something like that? So we're gonna go there later. Aiden spotted the pool somewhere that way.
It's like that little temple, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, guys. He's so happy. Oh, it's lovely. It's such a great room, and of course there's so much storage underneath. Both beds, very, very spacious. Here is great because like I can't stand the hotels that you enter and it's like so tight over here, but you have a ton of space, which is really great.
The fact is that this TV is very advanced. I'm pretty sure it's one of their newer ones. Obviously you can't see it right now, but they are very advanced.
Yeah, it had our name on it. It has the room number. What is our room number, by the way?
562.
562. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this short little room review video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. We'll be sure to answer them for you. And we are just so excited. We're gonna call Bell Services, get our luggage, and go explore this gorgeous resort. We'll see you real soon. Bye.